truth value of a string in Python. Boolean has to be either true or false. Then why? Output, yes. I didn't get why yes is printing, since POI is neither true or false.
In Python, any string except an empty string defaults to true. EA.
Python will do its best to evaluate the truthiness of an expression when a Boolean value is needed from that expression. The rule for strings is that an empty string is considered false, a non-empty string is considered true. The same rule is imposed on other containers, so an empty dictionary or list is considered false, a dictionary or list with one or more entries is considered true. The none object is also considered false. A numerical value of 0 is considered false, although a string value of 0 is considered true. All other expressions are considered true. Details, including how user-defined types can specify truthiness, can be found here, this URL.
What is happening here is Python's supplement of implicit bool constructor after the if, because anything followed by if should be resolved to be Boolean. In this context your code is equivalent to. According to Python, bool x constructor accepts anything and decides the truthiness based on below cases. If x is integer, only 0 is false, everything else is true. If x is float, only 0.0 is false, everything else is true. If x is list, only is false, everything else is true. If x is set/dict, only is false, everything else is true. If x is tuple, only is false, everything else is true. If x is string, only is false, everything else is true. Be aware that bool false will return to true. Here is the log for the cases I listed above.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.